Alright guys, what's up? So we're gonna do another video. I got my wife in the car. You guys have met Jen, but I got my little one in the back. Say hi. So she's in the back. She likes to go fast as well, so I brought her along. I got a couple requests on, hey, like, what's your car do 0 to 60? So I will do a 0 to 60 run. I haven't done it since I've gone stage 3 yet. I'll reposition the camera so you guys can see the P3 gauge. Just a little disclaimer, I understand that the P3 gauge is not 100% accurate, but it's a good way to kind of see where you're at. So just before you guys put any negative comments in there, I understand. Right now we're going to drive a little bit, let the car warm up, get the oil temperature up, get the coolant temperature up, you know, to operating temperatures, and then we'll run around and we'll do a couple runs. One thing that I like to say about the kid that I've noticed so far is driving characteristics are very, very different. The point to where the turbo actually is fully spooled and starts punching is further on, probably by about 200 to 300 RPMs in the rev range. There's a lot more audible turbo noise. The turbo kind of woos, and the best way that I can say it is it has a woo sound. It's a woo, which sounds funny, but I don't know if you guys can hear it in the video, but I have the camera pretty far forward, and I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's very, very noticeable inside the passenger cabin. So I'm wondering how audible it is outside of the car, because one of the things that I really wanted to do with this car is I wanted it to be completely like sleeper status. So only the thing I've done to the outside of this car is tint, and it's got the APR, you know, lowering springs. But other than that, it's completely stock. You know, there's no crazy anything going on the outside. Stock wheels are still on it. The outside is the last thing I wanted to do. I wanted it to be a car that is fast but doesn't look fast versus a car that looks fast but is slow. So that was my goal with this car. But I'm going to turn this corner up here, and I'm probably gonna lay into it, and hopefully I can get her to go crazy back there. But this car is definitely fun to drive, but the driving character, like I said, the driving characteristic is a little bit different, and still getting used to it. So looking forward to seeing where she ends up, because I know she's kind of still adapting and everything like that, but hopefully we can get her to go crazy right now, because here we go. You ready, Jess? Absolutely looking bored. I guess she's immune to it, but the car is a bunch of fun. I'm gonna stop and reposition the camera, and we'll get it doing a 0 to 60 on the backside out here. All right, guys. What am I waiting for? All right, so I'm gonna hurry up. So we did a 0 to 60, and the best time, well, I only did one launch. I just lined up on a back road and just let her have it. The time that you guys seen was 3.11, which is the best time that I've ever got, and I still think there's more to be had, because there was a little bit of hesitation between first and second. So I mean, all in all, you know, obviously the faster you go, the harder it is to go faster. You know, so the more horsepower that you make or you're trying to achieve, the harder it becomes, the higher and higher you go, and obviously more expensive. So taking off 0.2 of a second in 0 to 60 is pretty impressive. Whether or not it is actually a 3.1, it's still 0.2 of a second faster 0 to 60. And you can imagine that it gets more and more dramatic as you go through the speeds. So APR says that it's 15 seconds faster from 0 to like 130 or something like that than the stock Golf R. So it's pretty impressive. 15 seconds is a huge difference, and if you think about it, that's bus lengths difference. So I think it's money well spent. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know my little one did, even though she's really quiet today. But please like the video, please drop some comments below, share the video if you can, and please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys next time.